In this video, 4 very important tips that can help you find products on Alibaba.com. One of the most essential skills you need when setting up your e-commerce and Amazon business is sourcing products. And I'm going to show you exactly how you can find products that are both good priced and good quality on Alibaba.com. Ready? Let's get to work. Finding the right supplier or even finding the right product that is both not very expensive as well as very good quality for your customers on Amazon takes special skills. Of course, the best website so far for sourcing products is Alibaba.com. Alibaba.com actually functions like a marketplace, very similar to Amazon, but it's a marketplace where you can buy products in bulk rather than like customers on Amazon purchase products D2C, direct to consumer. They purchase 1 or 2 units. So in this video, I'm going to jump on my computer and I'm going to show you exactly how you can find really good quality suppliers and what you can do in order to make sure that you can negotiate a better MOQ. Are you ready? Let's go. As you can see, I'm on Alibaba right now, and the journey normally starts, the sourcing journey normally starts with you logging into Alibaba.com and typing in whatever product you're searching for. So I'm going to use silicone baby bib just as an example. And as you can see, you search for products and you get, just like any other marketplace or like any other search engine, you get a lot of different options. But first tip number 1 is search by supplier rather than search by product. So as you can see, there's a drop down right here and you can choose supplier instead of choosing products. The reason why you want to search for suppliers, well, there's a lot of reasons, but reason number 1 is you're going to be looking at a supplier that manufactures mostly multiple types of designs, multiple types of options, so you can probably get your products if you are doing private label, for sure, you can differentiate your product and they will be a little bit more accommodating. And additionally, suppliers normally manufacture huge quantities, so they're normally much better priced than buying from trading companies or from smaller manufacturers that manufacture multiple types of products. Now, tip number 2, very much related to tip number 1, is verify the type of supplier. So let's just choose this supplier as an example. If you log into if you click and you log in, you're going to go to the supplier's storefront. So every single supplier on Amazon, every single manufacturer on Amazon has their own storefront. On Alibaba has their own storefront. So as you can see here, they have their own storefront. They have a lot of information about what they do, what they've done. But most importantly, you can look at their product, at the products that they manufacture. Remember, we started this journey looking at silicone baby bibs. And as you can see, this manufacturer does different things. They do back posture correctors, waist brace supports, wrist finger brace support, elbow arm support, so things that are very much not related to whatever product I'm trying to find, which is the silicone baby bib. Maybe the silicone baby bib is something that they do on the side. It's not something that they are specialized in, and that's why you want to make sure that the manufacturer that you are currently working with or that you've chosen is actually specialized in whatever products you are looking to get into the market. 2 reasons for that. Number 1, specialized means more knowledge. They're very knowledgeable in that particular product because they're niched down for that particular product. And number 2, it just simply means that you can also expand your brand, you expand your products further using the same exact supplier. So if the supplier is specialized with silicone baby products, then you could start off with a bib and potentially add a bowl and maybe add a spoon, who knows? So you can expand your range with the help of one supplier, because essentially you're not just looking for a supplier, you're actually looking for somebody to partner with you, to help you develop these products and create something very unique, something that you can call your own and something that you can basically compete against other sellers with. Now, tip number 3 is related to the country of origin. Mostly, maybe you might not want to get your products directly from China. Maybe your type of product benefits with being made in a different country, like the US, for example. And you can find manufacturers on Alibaba. So what you need to do is you need to go to the bottom of the page, like I'm doing right now, and you choose whatever region you want. So I'm going to click on the US, and it takes you to a completely different website, a website within the Alibaba website called a pavilion. So now I'm in the US pavilion, and I can go ahead and search for, I'm going to also search for silicone baby bib, and I can get some additional options. And if it seems that your product is going to be better, it's going to beat the competition because it's made in the US, then why not? You can go ahead and work with suppliers. As you can see here, I'm not able to find anybody in the US, so Amazon is just giving, Alibaba is giving me some options related to China, because there just seems to be nobody that is manufacturing silicone baby bibs in the US. But you can go back to the pavilion and you can check what other options there are, because obviously other countries are more limited to the types of manufacturing that they do. So you might not be able to find all the options that you want that you normally find in China. You might not be able to find them in other countries. But it is very interesting. For example, if you want to buy textile items, definitely you would want to look in India, because they are really good at manufacturing textiles and clothing, and other countries also are, it's beneficial to check other countries for sure. Tip number 4 is related to how you communicate with the supplier. You'll definitely find this tip in our free FBA Amazon workbook that you can download in the description box. You'll find the link to download it in the description box under this video. So I'm right here. Let's assume I like this product, this particular product, and I want to contact the supplier. Now, as you are well aware, and I'm sure you've had this issue before, suppliers tend to not answer you very regularly or very quickly or in a hurry. So what you want to do is, let me show you what it looks like when you click the Contact Supplier button. So when you click the Contact Supplier button, you will get a quantity here, and this is the actual MOQ of the supplier. So the MOQ for this product is 12. Not a very big MOQ. But, however, if I type 1, definitely the supplier or the salesperson from the supplier isn't going to be so motivated to contact me. My suggestion is always to add a much higher quantity. You definitely are not. You're just contacting them for additional information, and you want them to contact you as soon as possible. So when they see the 1,000 quantity or the 500 or as much as you want, the quantity, when they see a high quantity, they're going to be more likely to be motivated to contact you back quickly. And then you can tell them, well, yes, my original quantity is 1,000, but I want to just order a small sample quantity. That's a very important tip. Use it and let me know if it works. And that's it for very easy to follow tips. Make sure that you find a supplier that you can partner with, somebody that can give you really good quality products at a very good price. I'll see you in another video with more information. Bye.